Are you somebody who's struggling with GCSE chemistry? Stick around for this video where we are going to have a look at a couple of questions to see whether you can remember your reactivity series or not. So I have 6 reactions here, and I want you guys to pause the video here and see whether any of these reactions are possible or not. I have put the reactivity series here just to help you out. Let's go through the answers. Zinc oxide plus tin. Will this reaction happen or not? If tin is more reactive than zinc, it will displace zinc from its compound. So tin is actually less reactive than zinc. So this reaction will not happen. If you guessed that correctly, well done. What about the next one? Is calcium more reactive than sodium to knock out sodium from its compound and displace it? Let's have a look. Calcium is less reactive than sodium. Therefore, calcium is not strong enough to kick out sodium from its compound. So this displacement reaction will also not occur. What about lead and calcium oxide? Is lead more reactive than calcium to knock out calcium and displace it from its compound? Let's have a look where lead is. Lead is here. Lead is much less reactive than calcium, so this reaction will also not occur. What about number 4? Is sodium more reactive than potassium to knock out from its compound? Sodium is less reactive than potassium. Again, sodium is not strong enough to kick out potassium from its compound, so this reaction is also not going to occur. What about here? Is magnesium more reactive than lead in its compound, and is it strong enough to kick out lead from its compound? Let's have a look. Magnesium is right here and lead is right here. So magnesium is much more reactive than lead. So this reaction will actually occur and this displacement will happen. And the last one, iron sulfate and magnesium. Is magnesium more reactive than iron to kick out iron from its compound? Magnesium again is here and iron all the way here. So magnesium is more reactive than iron. So magnesium will kick out iron from its compound and displace it. So this reaction will also happen. Hopefully you got all of these correct.